got a little project to do this morning. I kind of want to show you guys how I do this project because I have not seen a single DIY on YouTube on how to make a rod holder mount besides out of PVC. I'm just not going to do PVC, man. I just don't trust it. So I'm going to show you guys a little something that I figured out myself that I have not seen a single person do yet, and I seriously hope this helps you guys. So let's get right on up into it. What we're messing with here is a 12-foot Lifetime Yukon. It's 12 foot, but in reality it's 11'6", and I like this thing. Now we're gonna upgrade it a little bit. So with that being said, what I personally need myself is I took two 12 bolt 3/8, and now you're going to need 4 duct washers. They're square, they're thicker than your original 3/8 washers. You're going to need 2 3/8 nuts. Three toggle bolt, 3/8 bank duct washer, 3/8 nuts. 3/8 nuts. Alright, so with that being said, this is what we want to mount it to. Got about a 3-foot long thin strut. I know it's rusting. I know that. I got something else for that. That's a later project. Right now we're just gonna get it on here. But yeah. Now I got these boat rod holders from Amazon. You get 4 of them for like 20 bucks, 6 of them for like 40 bucks. That's just what I'm gonna rock with right now until I can get my takedown rod holders. But so we take this, kind of line it up with the holes I've already made in here. It is really best if you pick a spot from your dry hatch to where you can reach it at. If you go too far, then you're just gonna have a hole in there you gotta plug up. So I kind of did it right here in front of my foot pedals, because when I sit down, this is about as far as my feet will let me. I can go further, but I kind of feel comfortable right here. So this is what we're gonna do with it. And I want to make it nice and even, so I got it in a 6-hole here. I got it in this 6-hole here. So now in order to do this, stick a 3/8 through that hole. Take this one. Take this one through that hole. One of the hard parts here, kind of gotta line it up like that. Put your duct washer on top, and then that 3/8 nut right there. Now we're going fishing. Now we're fishing. Right now, just trying to get that nut hand tightened up here. I promise I won't try and take too long. Alright, we got that one hand tight. Let's go ahead and switch over here. See what we can do. So yeah, all I'm doing right now is trying to line that nut and that washer up. You take the piano fingers and the long hands that your mama gave you, your dad gave you. Stick it on up in there and start twisting. Start making that thing tight. Well, my arm ties, and I'm gonna use my 11-in-1. And there you have it. And there you have it. One kayak rod holder mount. And now what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to try to leave these two here. One of them buying 4 more of these before I do the real project. And with that being said, I want to have 2 here. I want to set 1 on the edge here. I want to have 2 running right here. And I want to have 1 off the edge right here. So I can total 6 out here. I can spread them out all the way from left to right. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Kayak rod holder mount.